Hey friends, welcome to Adventures with Paisley Poodle. I'm Anna and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're doing crafts with Paisley, and you're going to draw and color Paisley the Poodle, the star of Paisley Poodle Finds Courage, a book that I both wrote and illustrated. Okay friends, are you ready? Grab your materials and let's get started. We're starting with Paisley's head. Draw a big round circle in the middle of your paper, nice and round like a big bubble. That's where all of Paisley's brave thoughts live. Now let's give Paisley his very fluffy ears. On each side of his head, draw a big puffy cloud shape, bumpy and round. Poodles have the fluffiest ears, and Paisley's are extra special. Make them as fluffy as you want. Time to give Paisley a face. First, draw 2 little dots for his eyes, right in the middle of his head. Then draw a tiny triangle nose pointing down. And last, give him a little mouth. That is Paisley's brave, friendly face. Paisley needs a body. Draw a big rounded shape coming down from his head, like a big soft egg. Nice and round at the bottom. That's where all those brave feelings live. Now let's give Paisley some legs. Draw 2 lines coming straight down from the front of his body. Those are his front legs. And at the bottom of each one, add a little bumpy paw puff, just like fluffy little slippers. Let's add his back leg peeking out from the side. Draw a little curved line on the outside of his body. That's his back leg. Then draw a gentle curved line across the bottom of his tummy. Paisley is really starting to look like himself. Every poodle needs a poofy tail. Draw a little fluffy cloud shape right at Paisley's back, round and bumpy, just like his ears. That tail wags every single time Paisley does something brave. And now, the most important part, Paisley's special bandana. Draw a triangle shape around his neck with a little knot in front. Here's a fun fact. The swirly pattern on his bandana is called a Paisley pattern, and that's exactly where his name comes from. Pretty cool, right? Now it's time to color your Paisley. You can follow along with me as I color mine, or this is your chance to create your very own Paisley Poodle look. Maybe your Paisley has a pink bandana, or purple ears, or sparkly rainbow paws. There are no rules. This is your Paisley. In the book, his body is white, his fluffy ears, paws, and tail are soft gray, and his bandana is light blue. But however you color him is exactly right. When you're done, hold it up. You just drew Paisley the Poodle. I am so proud of you. Amazing work, friends. I would love for you to share your Paisley with me. Ask a grown-up to take a photo and tag me on @PaisleyPoodleBook. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Adventures with Paisley Poodle for more stories, crafts, and adventures. And remember, courage grows one small step at a time. I'll see you next time, friends.